Solviron Microneedle Patch is marketed as a futuristic weight loss patch that supposedly uses dissolving microneedles to help burn fat effortlessly. But the real question is, does it actually help you lose weight, or is it mostly trendy patch marketing? Now, to be fair, microneedle technology itself is real. Scientists are actively researching dissolving microneedles for drug delivery and skincare applications. What it does well, microneedle technology is legitimate. Unlike ordinary stickers, real microneedle patches can penetrate the outer layer of skin to deliver certain compounds. The patch format is convenient. Many users prefer patches over swallowing pills or powders. Where the hype falls apart, there is very limited proof for weight loss effectiveness. This is the biggest issue. Even if microneedles are real technology, there's little strong evidence showing wellness patches create major fat loss results. Fat loss does not happen effortlessly. No patch can bypass calorie balance, nutrition, sleep, and activity levels. The marketing is usually heavily exaggerated. Ads often imply dramatic body transformation without exercise or dieting, which is unrealistic. So, does Solviron Microneedle Patch help you lose weight? Short answer, maybe slightly for some people, but probably nowhere near as dramatically as advertised. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.